Hi everyone, are you looking for a glass effect for your website with mouse moving animation and you don't know how to do code? No problem, you can make it without code with me using Elementor. So let's create it. Now I will go here and make it from begin, and I will take one container and I will give this container justify content center and align item center. Also I will give this container minimum height VAs 100 VAs, and now I will give the background will classic, and choose the image. I will select this image. You can select any image, no problem. And now I will give the position, background position, center, alignment, scroll, and repeat, no repeat, display size, cover. And now I will go to the Rubik's Cube icon and select this container and drag it here. After that I'll select this container and go to the Rubik's Cube icon and select this container. Into this container I will drag this container, and now I will duplicate this inner container, not this container, this inner container I will duplicate 3 times. Okay, now I will select this parent container and go to the layout, and direction is horizontal, row horizontal, and just select this middle container and go to the Rubik's Cube icon and select this container. Into this container I will drag this container, and now I will select this container, not inner container, outer container. I will select outer container and give the padding. So just go to the advanced tab and deselect this padding and right 40 pixel and left will 40 pixel. Okay, and now I will select inner container and go to the advanced tab and deselect this padding, and top padding is 50 pixel and bottom padding also 50 pixel and right 40 pixel, left 40 pixel. Okay, now I will go to the Rubik's Cube icon and select this heading and drag it here, our inner container, and this one is 02 002, and this heading I will duplicate, and this one is card 2. Okay, card 2, and now I will select this text editor. Just under this card 2 I will drag it, and now I will take button, and under this text I will drag it, and now I will change the button name learn more, and give the background button background will white and text will black, and typography font family Poppins. Okay, and now I will give the button border radius 20 pixel both side, and now I will give the alignment is center, and select this content and go to the style, color will white, alignment center, typography font family Poppins, font size 16 pixel, and go to this card 2 heading, go to the style, give the color white, alignment center, font family Poppins, font size 30 pixel, and give the weight 700. And now I select this 02 heading and give the style text color white, alignment right, and typography font family Poppins, and now I will give change the size will be 170 and color will transparent, and go to the advanced tab and deselect this margin and bottom minus 120. Okay, now I will select this inner container and give the background will white, full white, and give the transparent. Okay, now I will give the border solid, top 1 pixel. First I will deselect and top 1 pixel and left 1 pixel. Okay, now I will give the border radius is 10 pixel, and border color black but transparent. Okay, and now I will give the box shadow horizontal is 20 and vertical is 10, blur 50 pixel, not pixel but blur 50, and spread 10. Okay, now I will go to the advanced tab and give the custom CSS selector backdrop filter blur 5 pixel. Okay, now this color is smooth, and now I will delete this one. Before delete, I will select this inner container and give the motion effect, just motion effect, this mouse effect turn on, and go to the 3D tool and speed will 3. Okay, now when I move my mouse pointer, then this card also moving. So now I will delete this container, first container, and this container also I will delete, and now I will duplicate this container 3 times. Okay, now I will change all content. So here is 1, and this card also 1, and I need to change this last one is 3, and card 2 will 3. Okay, this is our glass effect card using Elementor. If this video is helpful for you, just click the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get more videos. And if you want this Elementor kit, just go to my video description and collect this kit and put it your website. Thank you.